What's up, everybody? Today, man, I'm out here with come up to this trailer. I think it's a Wabash trailer. Came up to this trailer for an air leak, and basically what we're gonna do today is we're gonna change the tank. It's got a bad spot in the tank. Done rusted through. Got a little pinhole. I'll show it to you in here in a minute, but pretty basic job here. Right there is the tank. I went ahead and unplugged the ABS connectors. They're just dangling here, so I will have to remove all these hoses right here because I got to spin this off. I got that little valve over there taken loose. Just got to screw it off, and basically there's just 4 screws, 1, 2, and then 3, 4 on the other side. Once you get everything attached to it off, you get everything attached to it off. And now this right here is always a booger to take off. It's usually, 8 up with anti-seize. It's usually pretty hard to get off, honestly, but it's a pretty basic job today. Just thought I'd show y'all. Have to hold these, they're actually pretty nice, that they're spinning. I don't know if you can tell what's going on here, but maybe you can see this one good. So if you just bust it loose like that, see the hose is spinning. So sometimes you gotta have a pair of pliers here, but on these, they're actually really loose. Sometimes you can't get away with this. You gotta unhook the hose from the brake chamber. Here we go. I said it was gonna be the hardest bolt over there holding the ABS valve on. Well, unfortunately, these right here are giving me a hard time. I'm gonna put a little lube on them, see if that won't help. I don't think I showed y'all this rear valve, but it's on the back side of the tank, and it's the same thing. I mean, you got lines going in. I was just sitting here thinking, I don't even think I showed y'all this, but so it's the same way. Just gotta take it off. I've already broke the tank loose. I wouldn't recommend doing that. I'd take all this off. I just forgot all about it. But it's pretty self-explanatory back here as well. I'm gonna get the tank down and then I'll pop this valve off. It should be 1 1/16" as well right there. Should be, might be a little smaller, but I think it's 1 1/16" as well. Heat, even though the torch wasn't working that good, a little heat done it up, fixed it up. That's what it looks like all in, y'all. I appreciate y'all watching. See you on the next one.